Hey guys, Jason from DEWALT here today to look at our exciting new launch of PURE500 Plus chemical adhesive. In today's video we'll look at some features and benefits of the product, some applications and end users, and some key takeaways. So in terms of PURE500 Plus guys, it replaces Pure150 Pro, which has been a proven performer for us in the markets. Good news with this product, it has a number of upgrades. It has a 100-year design life, which is fantastic. It has seismic C1 and C2 approvals for both threaded rod and rebar applications. It has extensive bond strength upgrades and dispensing force upgrades, so it's easier to dispense the chemical anchor itself. So in terms of usage guys for this product, we're talking about threaded rod and rebar applications, those deep applications where we require a slow curing epoxy adhesive, okay? Very prevalent in the construction industry. When we talk about applications, things like slab joining, standing steel columns, tunnel construction and bridge construction. So as you can see guys, it's an exciting product for us in the market, especially with that 100-year design life, those ETA approvals for cracked and uncracked concrete, fire approvals and those seismic approvals. The performance gains of the product in terms of bond strength are exceptional, and the productivity gains in terms of that dispensing force required to dispense the anchor itself. Really exciting product. It's going to sell very well into the market. Thanks for tuning in guys. I'll talk to you soon.